Hi, I'm Claire. I'm French and I did Le Wagon 4 years ago in Bordeaux. And since then I was freelancing and teaching in Amsterdam, Berlin, Stockholm and Barcelona. So before I joined Le Wagon, I studied business school in France and I was working in CRM Marketing in the fashion industry. I am now working at Ace Tate. I just started a position as a Backend developer. So at Ace Tate we are like 20 developers and there are 3 sub-teams, and I'm part of the Solidus Ruby on Rails team. So Solidus is kind of a framework of Ruby on Rails for e-commerce website. I did the full-time web development bootcamp. I was a big fan of Ruby on Rails, and since then I developed as well my JavaScript skills. Le Wagon gives you all the basics and teach you how to learn, and then when you're on your own it's much easier not to be scared to learn a new language or a new framework. So I decided to do Le Wagon and learn to code because a friend told me about Le Wagon and I was a bit lost in my career. After graduating from Le Wagon, I started with being a teacher assistant and I did some small projects for friends and family to begin. And then I went to a bigger project. I think the biggest challenge for me was frustration, because I knew that at some point everything would come together and it would click, and when it clicked then all came together and I really loved that moment. So my advice for people hesitating on joining Le Wagon or not would be just go for it, because it's gonna actually change your life. It changed mine. I'm super happy I've done it and I would do it all over again if I had to. And I really enjoyed here in Amsterdam because it's very international. It's a huge tech hub and there's a lot of opportunities there, and it's also a super nice city to walk around. So I would really recommend to come and learn how to code in Amsterdam.